Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Ninwan ra amangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menta kasngi ka Henry Tarik upanay nailar arajar arpuway. Kaladon ka jingelang hapdeng ki arngut ki Menteri Rangba. Kata Menteri Rangba jong ka Jilla Meghalaya Conrad Kongkol Sangma. Bat Menteri Rangba ka Assam. Uhimanta Biswa Sarma na kabenta ban yakren penbait ya ka kam ya ka Jiaput hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Kani ka jingelang kalalong hanong ba Guwahati ha kabalalaj ban senran lang yo Conrad Sangma da usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jilla uba Preston Tinsong. Haba keren shikilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ke jingelang ki arngut ki Menteri Rangba kiliyatho ba ka jingelang kala shim ya ka rai ban ki khat artli ki jaka ya ka jia la rai ban ya keren penbait shwa tang ya ki hinreutli ki jaka bat kita ki hinreutli ki jaka ki kinthop ya ka tarabari ka gazang hahim bokla para khana para pilang kata bat ka rata chera ki jaka ki baka Assam ka kam baki hap hapo ka district Kachar Kamrup Metro bat Kamrup kat baka Meghalaya pat ka kam baki hap hapo ka West Khasi Hills Ribhoi bat ka East Jaintia Hills district.
And my media friends from state of Meghalaya, we have just concluded our second meeting, which was a follow-up meeting from Shillong, and we have arrived on certain decisions, basically to facilitate further discussion, further negotiation for resolving this vexed problem. 12 area of dispute. Of course, from Assam side, we don't have any dispute, but dispute has arisen because government of Meghalaya has claimed certain territory in these 12 locations. When we met in Shillong, we decided that all these 12 disputes cannot be resolved at a time. So we have to take a step-by-step approach. In the last meeting held in Shillong, government of Meghalaya had given a presentation flagging their perspective on the issues. Today, government of Assam has given a presentation highlighting our point of view. Basically, after threadbare discussion, both in Shillong and Guwahati, we found that it will be good if we start with 6 locations. Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya has already indicated what are those 6 locations. From Assam side, these are in Kachar district, Kamrup Metro and Kamrup district. From Meghalaya side, it is in West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi and East Jaintia.
That we will focus on number 1, historical facts, number 2, ethnicity, number 3, administrative convenience, number 4, willingness and the overall sense of the people's sentiments, and number 5, contiguity. Based on these 5 areas or these 5 terms, we will try to find a way forward, and we have urged these committees to submit their reports and their findings after making joint visits to the different areas and locations within the next 30 days. Within these 30 days, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will also be making some visits to some of the areas of differences also, in order to give a positive message to the people and to show our keenness and willingness to move forward to finding a solution to this very, very important and long pending difference and dispute that the 2 states have. Therefore, there is a very strong political will to find an amicable solution to these areas of differences. Number 2, we have also agreed that whatever we do, it must be done in a respectful manner, and both the states need to respect each other. Today in the meeting, we had a detailed presentation given by the government of Assam on 6 of the areas of the differences that are there out of 12. The strategy which both the state governments have agreed to follow is to take up these matters in a phase-wise manner. So there are areas which are slightly lesser complicated, some slightly more, and some very complicated. So therefore, we would like to resolve these issues by taking the disputes or the areas of differences in a phase-wise manner. Therefore, we have decided that 6 areas out of the 12. 1. Tarabari, 2. Gizang, 3. Hahim, 4. Boklapara, 5. Khanapara, Pilankata, and 6. Ratachera. Out of these 12 areas of differences, these 6 areas is what we have decided that we will move towards finding an amicable solution to these.
Ki argut ki menteri rangba ki liye tho ba ka jingalang kala rai ru ba anthau ye ki laitli ki regional committee ki ban pet ye ki te ki jaka ki ba hab ha ki laitli ki district ba ye ki te ki committee an clear ki menteri sarkar ka ban kenthop lang ru ye ki officer ne ki nongilam snong la da don kam but ha ki te ki committee kin kenthop sangut na Meghalaya but sangut na Assam la ai bor ha ki te ki committee ba kin lej ban ye kendo ye ki nongsong snong jong ki te ki snong but ban lum ye ki waipat ki jingtep ki ba banya Badya ka kaipod ki dewan pendep hapo shibenai pada hadin ka shibenai kan sadon biang ka jingelang hapdeng ki arngut ki menteri rangba ban ya keren biang.
In the interest of ensuring that it's done in a much faster manner, we have also decided that there will be regional committees that will be formed by both the states, which should be headed by a cabinet minister. So we have 3 regions where these 6 areas of differences fall in. So in these 3 regions, we have 3 committees from Meghalaya and 3 committees from Assam, and both will be headed, or I should say both sides will be headed, each committee will be headed by one cabinet minister. And we have decided also that we will focus on number 1, historical facts, number 2, ethnicity, number 3, administrative convenience, number 4, willingness and the overall sense of the people's sentiments, and number 5, contiguity. Based on these 5 areas or these 5 terms, we will try to find a way forward, and we have urged these committees to submit their reports and their findings after making joint visits to the different areas and locations.
From Assam side, these are in Kachar district, Kamrup Metro and Kamrup district. From Meghalaya side, it is in West Khasi Hills, Rivoi and East Jaintia Hills. So what we have done, for these 3 districts, we have taken the name of Meghalaya for the purpose of reference. So there will be a regional committee which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Meghalaya side, which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Assam side, and the 3 regional committees will be there to resolve dispute which are there for West Khasi Hills, Rivoi and East Jaintia Hills. Now, this committee will also include bureaucrats and maybe the local representative. We have decided that from both sides, committee will be constituted with 5 members. Now it is up to the government of Meghalaya to notify that 5 names, and of course from Assam side we will also notify the 5 names. These 10 people who will be nominated by each of the government will in turn visit the sites. Respective committee will give their recommendation that what should be done, what not to be done. Of course, as the committees will be headed by cabinet minister from both the sides, the differences will be narrowed down during the committee meeting itself, so that our meeting only become a kind of our job will be only to authenticate it, what will be definitely arrive between the 2 sides in the regional committee setup itself. If the difference still exists between the regional committees, then of course the matter will be taken up at the level of the Chief Minister or in the level of a higher forum. Once that these 6 disputes are resolved, gradually we will move to the other 6 places. But in the meantime, as a measure of goodwill, we have decided that Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will go to Lampi also once, so that the people are actually can be feel assured that we are going to resolve the complicated issues also. It is not that we are not going to resolve the complicated issue, but we'll start from less complicated issues and we'll move towards more complicated issues.